In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete responses or clear individual responses in Google Forms. Whether you're managing forms for surveys, quizzes, or any type of data collection, being able to efficiently manage response data is crucial. Sometimes you need to reset your responses for a fresh start or clean up after testing your form, and that's exactly what we'll explore today, quickly and effectively. Let's begin by heading straight to Google Drive. This is your central hub for all things Google related. Once you're there, look towards the navigation where you'll click on Apps. This step opens up your access to various Google applications including Forms. Clicking on Forms will take you to the Google Forms interface where you can see all the forms you've created or have access to. Now that you're on the Forms page, it's time to select the particular form you want to work with. Keep in mind that this should be the form for which you need to delete responses. Once you've selected your form, you'll see a tab at the top labelled Responses. Clicking on this tab brings you to a detailed view of all the responses that have been submitted through your form. At this point, you might want to delete all responses if you're looking for a completely fresh slate. To do this, you need to click on the More button, which is typically represented by 3 vertical dots. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu in which you'll find the option to delete all responses. Be sure about this decision as it will permanently remove all data, and unfortunately this action can't be undone. If you're only interested in deleting specific responses rather than all responses, Google Forms makes this surprisingly straightforward too. Instead of deleting everything, navigate to the Individual tab. Here you can view each response one by one, browse through the responses, and when you come across the specific ones you'd like to delete, click on the trash bin icon. This will remove the individual response while preserving all others. This feature is especially useful if you quickly spot errors or outliers that you believe could skew your data analysis. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to delete responses or clear individual responses from Google Forms. Whether you are managing small projects or extensive surveys, this tool provides the flexibility you need to ensure your data is exactly how you want it. Implement these steps whenever you need to manage your form data, and you'll be on your way to keeping an organized and accurate collection of responses. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on using